Brazil is considered the most biodiverse country on the planet, hosting around 55,000 to 60,000 plant species and over 100,000 animal species, including 775 mammals, nearly 2,000 birds, 848 reptiles, and 1,188 amphibians. The country's 6 terrestrial biomes, particularly the Amazon rainforest, support an incredibly wide range of species, with the Amazon alone hosting 10% of all known species on Earth. Brazil's unique ecosystems, such as the Atlantic forest and Pantanal, contribute to its exceptional biodiversity, but deforestation, climate change, and human activities pose significant threats to these ecosystems.